Hey everyone, Dan with MacRumors, and in this video we're going to do a quick comparison between the original Apple Pencil and the Apple Pencil 2 that was just released alongside the new 2018 iPad Pros. So from a design standpoint, these two pencils look and feel pretty different. The Apple Pencil 2 has a matte feel to it and has one flat side, which is where you will tap for the new gesture controls, and of course where the Apple Pencil branding is located. The original pencil is cylindrical all the way around with more of a glossy feel, and it's also a bit taller overall because of the removable cap that houses the lightning connector. So let's address that elephant in the room, the lightning connector. Personally, this was one of the, how do I put this nicely, more questionable design choices since putting the charging port on the bottom of the Magic Mouse 2. In order to charge and pair the original Apple Pencil, you need to remove the cap and connect the lightning connector to the port at the bottom of your iPad. This not only looks very weird, but also makes the pencil susceptible to unnecessary damage. The new pencil thankfully fixes all of this. In fact, the only way you can charge and pair your pencil is to simply snap it onto the frame of the iPad Pro. This will connect magnetically and a little pop-up appears on your iPad, letting you know that it's paired and charging. So that's it. There's no more worrying about losing the Apple Pencil cap or breaking the connector off, etc. I do want to point out that I'm not entirely sure how good or bad battery life might be, and that's definitely because of how easy it is to charge your new pencil. So with the old charging method, I hated charging the pencil. It was just a bit of a hassle. You can't really throw your iPad in your bag with the pencil plugged in, and with the new model, it makes it so much easier to charge with those strong magnets keeping the pencil attached to your iPad, and it's just constantly being charged, so battery life is always near full for me. As far as actually using these two pencils, they both feel pretty much the same to me for the most part. I'm not sure if I prefer the flat surface on the new Apple Pencil as opposed to the more uniform feel on the old one, but pressure sensitivity and drawing or taking notes feels just as good as it ever did before. Now, I'm no artist by any means, and my use of the pencil is almost strictly limited to just coloring stuff when I'm bored and note-taking. The one thing I am absolutely loving on the new pencil is the new double tap gesture where, depending on which app you're using, you can switch between different brushes, tools, etc., all by a simple double tap on that flat surface. Now, a basic use case that's a must-have is being able to switch between the pen and the eraser within a note-taking app. This is huge and has been sadly missing for the last 3 years. Obviously, as more time goes by, developers will tailor their apps to feature more useful double tap gestures, as we saw during the keynote with the new version of Photoshop. Overall, it's pretty obvious that the new generation Apple Pencil is almost superior to the older model in just about every way, but I'm not entirely sure that that justifies the new $129 price tag compared to the original $99 that we saw back in 2015. I understand that the pencil can do a little bit more than the old one, but considering that users who are upgrading already from an older iPad Pro to the new 2018 versions can't actually use the original pencil and take it with them, the $30 price increase just seems a bit excessive. So let us know your thoughts on the new Apple Pencil, and if you used both before, which one do you prefer in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.